To all my fellow Atomians, it is my honor and my opportunity to give all my thanks to every one of you. By the way, I am Anne Rafinan. I am a new sales master in Atomy. So in my journey to be a sales master, first, I don't really have a plan to do the business. I just told to my upline that I just want to use the products. And there, after like a week using the products, I'm trying to share to my friends because prior this company, I have another company. But I said like, this is really great company. Do you agree with me? So in Atomy, in my past experiences with networking company, I can say that this is the best one. Imagine if you will just only use the products, you got points, right? But if you don't want to use the products, when you join the company, you don't need to get out money from your pocket. But for me, I said like, I need to do it. So when I share to my friends, so they get also the best package. So in a month, in 2 weeks doing, because the challenge is just every 2 weeks, right? I tried my best to do this. Sure, even my downline, I said like, we need to have a facial. So, and then they really said yes. So I said like, oh, it's really adorable. So the past experiences, I did like, you don't need to have package when you started. You just need to use the products. I really like impressed that, when we join the company, we need to use the product first. We need to learn what the product is. So that when somebody asks us, of course, you can answer what kind of product are you using. So I can encourage you for myself. I can see like, we just need to have a plan. We have our attitude also toward our uplines, our team, so that we will be successful. Success is not easy, right? But when we have a vision, that vision will direct us to our success. So once again, I am Anne Rafinan, and I am Sales Masters, and I am proud Atomians.
My name is Marites Harry. I came from Ottawa, and I'm Sales Master. First of all, I would like to thank Atomy for being blessings to countless people to all over the world, including me and you. I really appreciate what the company does. I also want to give my sincere, heartfelt thank you to my sponsors, to my partners. This achievement would have been possible without your continuous support, dedication, and commitment. And I thank you so much. When I met Atomy, it was quite years ago. I love the product the first time I used it, but I have no intention whatsoever to learn the business side of it, or even to listen what Atomy has to offer. And then in the recent years, I had health issues. So I started to look into Atomy and said, oh, maybe Atomy will help me. So I contacted my sponsor, who has been very, very patient, like dealing with me in the last 4 years, doing follow-up. So follow-up really works. No matter how stubborn your partners are, sometimes I'm not saying that hopefully those partners saying no will get sick someday, so they will come to Atomy. I'm just saying, just don't give up on them, and then eventually the right timing will come. So I contacted her and I said, oh, I want to listen more. I want to hear more about Atomy. And then to cut the story short, I started attending meetings. I completed the EBR. I completed the GSMC. And here I am right now. So even though this is just a milestone, like it's just a beginning of this journey, I do believe that with my partners and sponsors, with their commitment and dedication, I do believe that someday we will all achieve our goal, which is to have a balanced life and financial freedom. We work together, teamwork for sure. Teamwork works with us. We'll all meet at the top. Fighting! Aja, aja, aja.